Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to listen to a sample of an audiobook on Audible using computer. So if this video has been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. Basically what you need to do is find a book that you want to listen to the sample of. Let's just say it's this book right here. Click in there. It's going to load the book. So what you need to do is press this button, play preview, and then it's going to launch this window right here. From there you can see the audiobook artwork, and then it says sample the let them theory. The entire sample is 5 minutes long. You can press this black button to play the sample.
This is Audible.
And then from there you can listen to the entire sample of this audiobook. And then if you like this audiobook, what you can do is press get this title. It's going to bring you to this page where you can actually check out and purchase this audiobook with either a credit or buy it now for $7.99. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.